Doing head gaskets on my Ford 6-liter. This is a 2003 model. But I also had a problem with a hot start. The IPR valve would go all the way up to 85%. I took the high pressure oil rail off with nothing unusual. Didn't see anything abnormal. I took the high pressure oil pump off to do the seals underneath and to the branch tubes here. I took the standpipes out. Everything looked okay. I put the upgraded Viton ring, they call it. It's the white one here, along with new O-rings. But what I discovered when I took the pipe leading directly off of the high pressure oil pump was an O-ring. This I put the new O-ring on, but this was the one that came directly off of it. You could see it's all deteriorated, and that was causing my hot start problem. So any of you 6.0 guys got an 04, an early 04 or a 2003 6.0 and you have a hot start, it could possibly be this O-ring that was sitting on this high pressure oil pipe here.